Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure PayPal for e-commerce step by step clearly. To configure PayPal for your e-commerce site, start by creating a PayPal business account. Visit the PayPal website and click on the Sign Up button. Select the business account option and fill in the required details. Follow the prompts to complete the account setup and verify your email address. Once your account is set up, log in to your PayPal business account. Navigate to the account settings by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner. In the settings menu, find the business information section. Update your business details if necessary, ensuring accuracy for payment processing. Next, go to the My Selling Tools section. Here, locate the API access option. Click on Update to get your API credentials. Select the option to request API credentials. Choose the MVP/SOAP API integration for a more robust setup. Next, you will receive your API username, password, and signature. Keep this information secure, as you will need it to connect to your e-commerce platform. Now, go to your e-commerce platform's settings or payment processing section. Find the option to add or configure PayPal as a payment method. Enter the API credentials you obtained from PayPal. Make sure to enable and test the PayPal payment option for your customers. Customize any additional settings, such as currency preferences or checkout experience. Once configured, proceed to save your settings. Test the integration by making a small purchase on your site. Verify that the transaction goes through successfully and that you'll receive the funds in your PayPal account. If you encounter any issues, refer to PayPal support or troubleshooting guides. Once everything works smoothly, your PayPal integration is ready for your customers. Now, you can begin accepting payments through PayPal on your e-commerce site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.